This is an agent that takes Robert Cialdini's 7 principles of persuasion and applies it to your sales messaging. So, as you can imagine, um, Cialdini came out with research that identified that there are 7 shortcuts that if you employ in an ethical manner, it'll significantly increase your chances that someone will be persuaded by your request. And if you think about sales and any kind of sales messaging that we create, it's all about trying to get the users or the listeners of the messaging to actually be persuaded by whatever our offer is. And so he came out with these 7 key shortcuts: reciprocity, scarcity, authority, consistency, liking, social proof, and unity. And so what we've done is we've built an agent that will take any sales messaging, you can upload it, and then it will evaluate it on these 7 criteria and then give you a rating. And so the way the agent works, you start off and it's a flexible agent. You can upload it as text. You can upload your content as a file. You can upload it as a URL link. I'm going to take URL link as an example. You click go. I'm going to take an example of a customer story that Sigma Computing has on their website. So we're going to now go in here, enter the URL of our sales messaging, click go. Uh, this agent also gives you the opportunity to submit your email, and if you give your email, then it'll email you a copy of the report, so you don't have to just save this report and go remember it. And obviously, as you can imagine, while it is running, it does take some time. There is some serious analysis going here. So once you click on it, it's going to go run and then come back with the results. I'm going to show you the output here. This is the persuasion analysis report. It's for that URL that we just uploaded. I just run this before. Gives you a score of 5.7 out of 10. It gives you an executive summary, gives you what actions you can take, gives you an overview of each of those uh, principles and how you did, right? So executive summary, it talks about what the strengths are in this particular document, what the weaknesses are. It talks about how to then implement and make changes. So you can talk about, what all to go focus on. It gives a score for each and every one of them, which are color coded. And then for each principle, so it looks at reciprocity and it says there is evidence. So if it looks at it and says, yep, there's all of this stuff, um, it offers this, but there's no explicit language or generosity. And so Frame offers provide additional resources, add thank yous, welcome messages. So it comes back with the result over there. Hope you found this useful. Please run this agent and give me your feedback. Thank you.